bagenda bakubatia gas, bagenda tukubatia gas, bajja tusindirira amasasi, bajja tusiba makomera. Naye ngabe gwali ku Gaddafi, ngabe gwali ku Mugabe, ngabe gwali ku Blaise Compaoré, ngabe gwabadde ku Omar el-Bashir. Njagala okukakasa nti bwe gugenda okubeera ne wano mu Uganda. Musigale nga muli bamaanyi. Bwe bannayuganda abatulaba eyo yonna gye muli. Tuwuliziganye mwe bannayuganda abatulaba eyo yonna gye muli. Manyi mumpagira nnyo. Era manyi muneesiga bakulembera. Naye njagala mujjukire nga bwe nze mbagamba nti obwesige bwe munina nange mulina mummwe. Omulimu ogwange sitepu ezooka tugituukiriza kati ndi ku ballot. Saawa eno tumaze okulinnya akalulu. Naye nammwe buli omu ayina omulimu baganda bange eyo gye muli. Bano abadaawa tebatusobola kati buli omu gyali nkusindikira obubaka weebereremu eyo yonna n'abaana babuuse. Bano tebatusobola kuba kati bagweredde wano tebamanyi na kiri eyo walala yonna. Njagala otandika okwerabanga Kyagulanyi. Njagala otandika okwerabanga Ssenyonyi. Njagala otandika okwerabanga Eddie Mutwe, nga David Lewis, nga Nubian, nga bano bannaffe bonna bonna be tuli nabo. Kubanga obuyinza bwe nnina muganda wange. Njagala obeebaza olw'okussaawo omubiri temupowa. Mwe abalina kamera muzikozese. Abalina kamera muzikozese. Abalina emimwa mugikozese. Abalina emikono mugikozese. Abalina amagulu mugakozese. Buli omu akozese kyonna kyonna kyalina. Kubanga lwe luno olunaku Mukama Katonda lwe yatusuubiza. Temupowa kuno kulonda tekugenda kubeera kwa bulijjo. Mukimaze okiraba nti kati Museveni atidde ne kuse kutya yenna yenna. Ate gyakomye okutya. Gyakomye okutya, gyakomye okwerabisa. So mwebereremu baganda bange, mwebereremu n'eggwanga lyaffe. People power! Power, power! People power! Everywhere! NUP! Okay, now let me speak some English. Fellow Ugandans,
yes, President,
here in Uganda and all over the world, this is it. This is the day that the Lord has made for us. Take my apologies if I cannot open my eyes wide, but you all know what has happened to us. We left this place in the morning very smart. But now you see what we look like. Nobody can imagine. When you look at my brother Eddie Mutwe, when you look at my brother Adam, when you look at my brother Joel Senyonyi, very many others are in hospital now in very critical condition. This happened right from the time nation we were abducted by police and the military. Can everybody see my hand? Immediately they abandoned us into that van which had guns. They sprayed pepper spray in our eyes. I could not open my eyes. I still can't do that very well. They twisted my hand. I don't know what they put on my hand, but it felt like a very burning object. And if you can see my hand clearly, it is fairly burnt. All this was happening at the nomination ground immediately after nomination, under the watch of the Electoral Commission. Mr. Byabakama said he has given me security to escort me home. But the same security officer, the so-called security officer, who was apparently designated to guard me, was part of the people that smashed my window under the leadership of one Aguma. Well, yesterday Mr. Byabakama nominated 3 candidates. Each one of them came and went back with their supporters. None of them was brutalized. None of them was arrested. None of them was abducted. As soon as we were done with nomination, that happened under the watch of the Electoral Commission on the nomination ground. Now, I want Mr. Byabakama to tell us that the Electoral Commission is not one-sided, that the police is not one-sided. I want him to confirm to Uganda here and abroad that he is going to organize a free and fair election. That said, my brothers and sisters, I want to assure you that this election is no election as usual. This is a revolutionary election. All the firings and the guns you hear, those are signs of fear. I want to remind you that today, if it's a boxing fight, it has begun. Ketuyingide mulingi nyingide mulingi kulama mwe n'abana Uganda kate mwe namwe basekenda ntidamu mwenaje muli bakyali bange yemwe basekenda nze migwanji yingiddemu kati atenga tetugenda gifuluma. We are not coming out of that ring. It is not going to be easy. We are going to face so much harassment, so much arrests, tear gas, and even murders. But I can guarantee to you, like it happened with Saddam, like it happened with Gaddafi, like it happened with Mugabe, like it happened with Bashir, it will happen here. All you have to do is make sure we abide by the law. Everything that we are doing is within the law. They tried to stop this nomination in Arua, taking my life. They failed. Respect to you. They tried to stop us using trumped-up charges. They tried to use Chibalama. They tried to use my academic documents. Everything failed. Now we are here. And at the end of this, we shall be Entebbe Muntebbe. Bachali bange mwena mwena mwena. Basabe n'okwebereramu. Kati ku time eno tutambula nga bayekera. Era bw'obulaba eyo sala amagezi olabe ng'obuyitako. Temukkiriza bakwata. sala amagezi olabe ng'obuvaamu kubanga buli omu kati kumu alinga komanda. Sala amagezi olabe ng'obuyitako ate obusa abaana abalala ate temukkiriza abantu mbeera na kutya. Bakyali bange guno gwe mukisa gwaffe, tewaliyo mukisa mulala. Nenjagala obakakasa nti bwe tunabeera abagumu netwebeereramu buli omu nakwata mune nga tamuta, tugenda kutuuka ffenna mu Uganda. Ulira, this is the time.
This is the time to say goodbye. This is the time to say goodbye. Our power, people power, everywhere, let you be.
Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala bakyali bange.